YouTube family, it's me, Nay the insurance dealer, and I'm back today with another video. If you're new here, what's up? Welcome to the family. You know what I'm saying? We all love each other around here. We all learn, we all grow. And if you're not, glad to see you once again. So today what we're going to be talking about is beneficiaries. Can you have more than one beneficiary? How does a beneficiary work? Do they have all the control? So I know there's a lot of questions that goes on around a beneficiary on your policy. So let's start with this. Yes, you can have more than one person be the beneficiary on your policy. What is a beneficiary? This is someone who will receive the funds upon your death. So once you die, whoever you have listed on your life insurance policy as the beneficiary, that's who the money will go to. So we want to be responsible with who we choose, of course, to be our beneficiary. But along with that, yes, you can have more than one. So you got two categories. It's a revocable and an irrevocable beneficiary. So a revocable beneficiary means that you can always change who that person is. So say you put someone down, you get married and then you get divorced, and now you don't want your ex-wife to have all your life insurance policy. Well, if you have a new wife, you can take her off, the ex off, and put the new one on. If you had someone, you had your cousin, your brother, whoever you had on there, they can be removed at your request, the owner's request. Now, irrevocable beneficiary means that they'll never be able to be changed. So that's not the type of person that or beneficiary you want to have on your policy. So when you are working with the insurance agent, you want to make sure that you have a revocable beneficiary, so that if in 10 years down the line, you need to change the information, say whoever you put on there passed away, you need to change that to somebody else. So it needs to always be revocable. Number two, you can have more than one beneficiary. So you can have a primary beneficiary, which is the first person in line to receive the funds. Or you can have a contingent beneficiary, which means that is, if that person dies, that's your primary, the contingent is who is next in line. So you can have more than one primary and more than one contingent. If you have grown kids, or if you have a sibling, two siblings, three siblings that you want to split your policy with, you can do that. You can give Keisha 20%, you can give Jayla 70%, and you can give little man 10%. So it's all up to you. You know what I'm saying? It depends. You can divide it up any way you want to. You can make it equal, but you can have more than one primary beneficiary and more than one contingent beneficiary. The total just has to amount to 100%. So however you decide to split it up and divide it, as long as it's 100%, then you're good to go. So yes, you have more than one beneficiary, and there are two different types of beneficiaries. So make sure when you are setting up your policy, those are things that you are looking for, and those are things that your agent talks to you about. So get with the agent like myself. I love to help you out. I love to get you insured, you and your family covered. Schedule a consultation on the website. Give me a call or a text at 803-916-9949, and we can get you on the books. I hope this video helped someone today. I hope it did something for you and you learned a little something. If it did, make sure you like the video. Give me a little comment or something. Talk to me in the comments about something else you want to learn. If there's something else that's on your mind, I'd love to make a video about it. And subscribe to your girl channel, okay? I appreciate y'all for joining today. See you in the next video.